Let's take a look at the door strut system we have for the current model Ranger XP 1000. Release the handle and let the door open on its own. The kit consists of a bracket mounted to the door and another bracket mounted to the frame of the vehicle. The kit mounts through existing holes. The holes in the top of the door there are enlarged for installation. It's designed to protect against the door getting ripped out of your hand in the wind if you're facing into the wind, or having the door come back and hit you in the legs as you're getting in or out. Keeps the door within reach when you're going to close the door from the inside. It's easy enough to shut for kids to use, which would be great for the front and rear doors. The kit is made in America. The struts are the same as the ones used in the Polaris Ranger for the tip-out windshield. So they've been proven for years. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.